guys, and thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Leann, and if you're not new, welcome back, guys. So today's video is going to be a voiceover because Delina, she's watching her shows in the living room, so I'm not going to be able to talk, so it's going to be a voiceover video. If you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Click the red subscribe button, and if you want to be notified every time I do an upload, go ahead and click the little bell next to the subscribe button. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I curl my faux hawk, or if you want to call it a mohawk pixie. I like to have my own nice and curly, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do to get it nice and curly and fluffy. So my first step is to mold my hair, and I already went ahead and did that. This is a 2-day-old mold that I've been rocking, and I just decided to curl it to show you guys. So here's where I did the mold. And to mold it, I just used my cream of nature with argan oil, foaming lotion. I didn't use my Nairobi because my hair is freshly relaxed, so the cream of nature is going to work perfect on it. So yeah, after I molded, I just wrapped it with my netted wrap cap, and then I went and let it dry for about 45 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is just take some coconut oil and just rub it on my hair to act as a protectant for the heat, and also to give it some shine before I curl it. So the first thing I like to do is part my hair down the middle, so I have two halves for the top, and then I just start and curl in the back. And for this style, I'm just gonna curl these pieces up here to the crown forward, and then I'm gonna curl the rest to the back, going backwards. So once I reach the top, I like to do what I call kissing curls, in which I make the curls touch each other when I curl them. So I curl that one going backwards, then the one in front of it I'm gonna curl going forward, and it's gonna make the curls touch in the middle. That way when I combing out my hair, it's gonna be all nice and full when I fluff it out. Another thing I wanted to mention is that I am experiencing a lot of postpartum shedding, guys. My hair is actually coming out a lot, especially like when I wash it. It's really coming out, like clumps of hair is coming out, and I was a little concerned, but then I realized, like, oh, this must be, you know, postpartum shedding. I don't have any patches or anything, but it was just kind of scary just seeing my hair coming out. I thought my hair was breaking at first, but then I was like, no, this gotta be postpartum shedding because this never happened to me before. So it doesn't look any different. It actually looks full, but I don't know where this hair coming from, but a lot of my hair has been coming out lately. These curls that I'm doing are not that super small, guys. If you want to go in with some smaller curls, all you need is like probably a smaller flat iron, like the pencil flat iron, or you could do smaller sections to get smaller, tighter curls. But these curls aren't going to be as tight. They're going to be more like a fluffy kind of curl. So now I'm finished with the curler. I'm just going to take some of my Nairobi and reset my sides. Since this is an old dry mold and I've been sleeping on it, my sides have become soft and kind of out of, shape. So I'm just going to take some Nairobi and reset them and also do the back. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let my hair set now and then go do my face and then come back and show you all how it looks. So it's been like an hour since my curls been sitting, and what I'm gonna do now is just take my rat tail comb and start fluffing out the curl and shaping it with my hands. And that's it. I'm just going to put in my earrings now and give you guys a little 360 view of how my hair came out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be notified every time I do an upload, don't forget to hit the blue bell notification next to the subscribe button. If you want to see more pixie cut hair tutorials from me, just stay tuned and it's going to pop up on your screen. And you'll be able to click over and head over there. I also have my pixie cut playlist that you guys can click and go check out down below in the description box. The link is. So see you guys over there. Take care.